A shocking update has come out in the 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks case. Tahawwur Hussain Rana, a former Pakistani army captain and Canadian citizen, has reportedly confessed during NIA custody that he was not just connected to the 2008 attacks but played a very active role. He admitted he was a trusted agent of the Pakistan army and worked closely with terror outfits like Lashkar-e-Taiba and Harkat-ul-Jihad Islami. Rana was extradited to India from the US in April and is now lodged in Delhi's Tihar jail. He has been interrogated by both the NIA and Mumbai Crime Branch. During questioning, Rana revealed that he and his childhood friend David Hadley had received multiple training sessions with LET. He even said that LET worked more like an intelligence agency. But the most disturbing part is that Rana admitted to being in Mumbai during the 26/11 attacks. He claimed he had surveyed key locations like the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus before the attacks and confirmed that the entire operation was supported by the Pakistan's ISI. Rana also mentioned that he had been sent to Saudi Arabia during the Gulf War on direct orders from the Pakistani army, showing how deep his connections went. The 26/11 attacks were one of the darkest days in India's history, killing 166 people and wounding hundreds. Terrorists targeted the Taj Hotel, Oberoi Hotel, CST station, and more during a 60-hour-long siege. Rana's confessions only confirms the involvement of Pakistani intelligence and military in these attacks. This case is not just about one man. It brings back painful memories for every Indian. And the fact that someone involved is now admitting the truth is both disturbing and important. Authorities are still investigating and looking deeper into Rana's network and role in helping Hadley with the surveillance, which was key in planning the attacks. The nation is watching closely as more details unfold. Justice for 26/11 is still a long journey, but confessions like these bring us a little closer to the truth.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.